Can I renew my Indian passport before it expires?
In this video, we will be discussing if you can renew your Indian passport before it expires, and how early you can do so. Let's dive into the details.
Can I renew my Indian passport before it expires?
Yes, you can definitely renew your Indian passport before it expires. In fact, it is recommended to start the renewal process well in advance to avoid any travel complications that may arise due to an expired or soon-to-expire passport.
How early can I renew my Indian passport?
Ideally, you can begin the renewal process 1 year before your passport's expiration date. However, it is important to note that the remaining validity on your current passport will not be carried over to the new one. The new passport will have a fresh validity period of 10 years for adults or 5 years for minors.
Why should I renew my passport early?
There are several reasons why you should consider renewing your passport early. 1. Visa requirements. Some countries require that your passport be valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay. Renewing your passport early ensures that you meet these requirements and avoid any travel disruptions. 2. Avoid last-minute hassles. Renewing your passport well before it expires helps you avoid the stress of last-minute renewals, which could potentially delay your travel plans. 3. Emergency travel. In case of any unforeseen emergency that requires you to travel internationally, having a valid passport at hand can be extremely helpful.
How do I renew my Indian passport?
The process for renewing your Indian passport involves the following steps. 1. Visit the Passport Seva website and create an account if you don't already have one. 2. Fill out the online application form and upload the required documents. 3. Pay the passport renewal fees. 4. Schedule an appointment at the Passport Seva Kendra, PSK, or Post Office Passport Seva Kendra, POPSK. 5. Attend your appointment and submit your documents for verification. 6. Your new passport will be dispatched to your registered address after successful verification. In conclusion, it's possible and recommended to renew your Indian passport before it expires. You can begin the process up to 1 year in advance, which allows you to avoid last-minute hassles and ensures that your passport meets visa requirements for international travel.